The Firstrend 8CH 1080p security system offers a comprehensive surveillance solution with 8 high-definition bullet cameras, ensuring clear and detailed footage for your home or office. Equipped with a 3 terabyte hard drive, this system provides ample storage for continuous recording, allowing you to keep track of important events without worrying about running out of space. The plug-and-play design simplifies installation, as the cameras and recorder are pre-paired, making it easy to set up without the hassle of extensive wiring. With its remote monitoring capabilities, you can conveniently access live footage and playback recordings from your mobile device or computer, ensuring you are always connected. The system's night vision feature, supported by 6 infrared LEDs, provides visibility up to 65 feet in complete darkness, making it effective for both indoor and outdoor surveillance. This security system prioritizes user security by allowing only one authorized account to control the device, reducing the risk of unauthorized access or hacking.